Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Etsy Payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.etsy.com and press enter. Once the website has fully loaded, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you prefer, you can check the Remember Me box to stay logged in on this device. Click on the Sign In button to access your Etsy account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager section, which can be found in the top right corner. In the Shop Manager dashboard, look for the Finances tab located on the left-hand menu. Under the Finances tab, select Etsy Payments. This action will direct you to the Etsy Payments dashboard. If this is your first time accessing Etsy Payments, you might be prompted to complete some verification steps. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your account, if necessary. Once verified, you'll see your payment options and recent transactions displayed on the screen. Here, you can manage your payment settings, view earnings, and download financial reports. To add or update your payment information, look for the Account Settings link within the Etsy Payments section. Click on it to modify your banking details or payment preferences. Make sure to save any changes you make before exiting. After you have completed your tasks, you can log out by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the Sign Out option to secure your account. You've now successfully logged into Etsy Payments and managed your financial settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.